everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karajagi Orchid School. Dear students, in our last session we have completed exercise 5.10, that is story sums. Now today we are going to see the last part of this chapter, okay, that is multiplication tables from 11 to 20. Open your textbook, page number 79. You have to keep this page in front of you, and here I am going to show you one video of tables that is from 11 to 20. You have to keep your textbook in front of you and you have to say the tables. Okay, are you ready for that? Okay, now we'll listen the tables from 11 to 20. Listen it carefully and you have to say the tables.
11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, 11 nines are 99, 11 tens are 110. Join me! 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, tens are 150. Carry on. 50 ones are 50. 50 twos are 30. 50 threes are 45. 50 fours are 60. 50 fives are 75. 50 sixes are 90. 50 tens are 105. 50 eights are 120. 50 nines are 135. 50 tens are 150. 16 ones are 60. 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are 48. 16 fours are 64. 16 fives are 18. 16 sixes are 96. 16 sevens are 112. 16 eights are 128. 16 nines are 144. 16 tens are 160. Join me. 16 ones are 60. 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are 48. 16 fours are 64. 16 fives are 80. 16 sixes are 96. 16 sevens are 112. 16 eights are 128. 16 nines are 144. 16 tens are 160. 17 ones are 70. 17 twos are 34. 17 threes are 51. 17 fours are 68. 17 fives are 85. 17 sixes are 102. 17 sevens are 190. 17 eights are 136. 17 nines are 153. 17 tens are 170. All together. 17 ones are 70. 17 twos are 34. 17 threes are 51. 17 fours are 68. 17 fives are 85. 17 sixes are 102. 17 sevens are 190. 17 eights are 136. 17 nines are 153. 17 tens are 170. 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. 18 threes are 54. 18 fours are 72. 18 fives are 90. 18 sixes are 108. 18 sevens are 126. 18 eights are 144. 18 nines are 162. 18 tens are 180. Come along. 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. 18 threes are 54. 18 fours are 72. 18 fives are 90. 18 sixes are 108. 18 sevens are 126. 18 eights are 144. 18 nines are 162. 18 tens are 180. 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. 19 threes are 57. 19 fours are 76. 19 fives are 95. 19 sixes are 140. 19 sevens are 133. 19 eights are 152. 19 nines are 171. 19 tens are 190. All together. 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. 19 threes are 57. 19 fours are 76. 19 fives are 95. 19 sixes are 140. 19 sevens are 133. 19 eights are 152. 19 nines are 171. 19 tens are 190. 20 ones are 20. 20 twos are 40. 20 threes are 60. 20 fours are 80. 20 fives are 100. 20 sixes are 120. 20 sevens are 140. 20 eights are 160. 20 nines are 180. 20 tens are 200. Do it again. 20 ones are 20. 20 twos are 40. 20 threes are 60. 20 fours are 80. 20 fives are 100. 20 sixes are 120. 20 sevens are 140. 20 eights are 140.
students, hope you all are enjoy. Now turn the page, that is page number 80. Let us solve the next exercise, that is last exercise of this lesson, exercise 5.11. Multiply using multiplication tables. Now see the A question here. 2 into 12. You have to say the table of 12 now. 12 to the, yes, tell me the answer and write in your textbook. 12 to the 24, correct. So write here 24. Next, 3 into 13. 13 threes are, say the table of 13. 13 threes are, yes, 13 threes are 39. So write here 39. Next, 4 into 12. You have to say the table of 12 till 4. 12 into 4, yes, 48. Write here 48. Fourth one, 5 into 20. Say the table of 20. 25, 20 into 5, 25 is a 100. So write here 100. Next, fifth one, 3 into 12. Say the table of 12 till 3. 12 threes are, yes, 12 threes are 36. So write here 36. What is the next? 7 into 13. Then say the table of 13. 13 in 7s are, yes, 13 7s are 91. Correct. Write here 91. Next, seventh one, 2 into 13. Say the table of 13. 13 2s are, yes, 26. Next, 9 into 12. What you will do now here? Yes, you have to say the table of 12 till 9. 12 nines are, yes, 12 nines are, correct, 108. So write here 108. See the ninth one. What is the next example? 4 into 13. Then say the table of 13 till 4. 4 into 13. 13 4s are 52. Correct. Write here 52. Next, 5 into 12. Which table you will say? 12. Table of 12. 12 5s are 60. Write here 60. Then next is 7 into 12. Yes, say the table of 12. 7 into 12. 12 7s are 84. So write 84. What is the next? 6 into 13. 6 into 13. 13 6 are, yes, give me the answer. 13 6 are 78. Correct. Then 13th one, see, 8 into 12. Say the table of 12. 12 8s are 96. So write here 96. Next, 5 into 13. 13 5s are 65. Correct. Next, 9 into 13. 13 9s are, say the table of 13. 13 9s are, yes, 117. Correct. What is the next? 8 into 13. Say the table of 13 till 8. 13 8s are 104. Write here 104. Understood? Complete till here. A question over. Okay. Now shall we start B question? Okay. See the first one. 3 into 14. Say the table of 14 till 3. 14 3s are, yes, 14 3s are 52. Correct. Write here 52 then. Next, 3 into 15. 15 threes are, yes, 15 threes are 45. Next, 7 into 14. 14 sevens are, say the table of 14. 14 sevens are 98. Next, 5 into 11. 11 fives are 55. Next, 2 into 15. Say the table of 15. 15 twos are 30. Correct. Right here 30. Then 15 into 8. Yes, 15 eights are, say the table of 15. 15 eights are 120. Next, 6 into 15. Again say the table of 15 in your mind. See, all the times you have to say the tables in your mind. 15 6 are 90. Okay. Next, 2 into 11. 11 twos are 22. Next, 9 into 14. Say the table of 14. 14 nines are, yes, 14 nines are 126. Correct. 126. Then 4 into 14. 14 fours are 56. So write here 56. Next, 9 into 20. Now you have to say the table of 20. 20 into 9. 29s are, yes, 180. Next, 8 into 14. Now you have to say the table of 14. 14 eights are, see the table of 14. 14 eights are 112. Correct. Next, 2 into 14. Again 14 twos are 28. Next, 4 into 15. Now you have to say the table of 15. Say the table of 15. 15 fours are 60. Next, 6 into 14. Say the table of 14. 14 6 are 84. So write here 84. What is the next? 7 into 15. Now say the table of 15 till 7. 15 sevens are, yes, 15 sevens are 105. Next, see the C question. Complete till here? A and B question complete? Okay, now we'll see the C question. 2 into 16. Now here you have to say the table of 16. 16 twos are 32. Correct. So write in the given box. 16 twos are 32. So 2 into 16 is equal to 32. Then next, 3 into 17. 17 threes are 51. Next, 4 into 11. 11 fours are 44. What is the next? 7 into 16. See, 7 into 16. Say the table of 16. 16 sevens are, yes, 16 sevens are 112. Correct. 112. Then 2 into 17. Say the table of 17. 17 twos are 34. Next, 8 into 17 means you have to say the table of 17 again. 17 eights are 136. 17 eights are 136. Next, 4 into 7. 17. 17 fours are 68. Okay. What is the next? Find to 17. Again you have to say the table of 17 only. 17 5s are, yes, 17 5s are 85. Correct. Write the answer in the given box. Find to 17, that is 17 5s are 85. Next, 8 into 16. Now you have to say the table of 16. 16 8s are, yes, 16 8s are 128. Next, 3 into 16. 16 3s are 48. So write here 48. Say, you have to say the tables in your mind. All the times you have to say the table. Then next, 9 into 16. 16 9s are, say the table of 16. Say in your mind and tell me the answer. 16 9s are 144. Correct. Next, 7 into 17. That is 17 7s are, say the table of 17 now. Textbook is there in front of you. Say the table of 17. 17 7s are 119. Okay. Next, 6 into 16. Now which table you will say? 16. 16 6s are, yes, say the table of 16. 16 6s are 96. Correct. So we'll write here 96. Then what is the next? 9 into 17. 17 9s are, say the table of 17 and write the answer. Afterwards you check your answer from the board. I will write later on. 17 9s are, yes, 153. Correct. Next, 6 into 17. Again you have to say the table of 17 only. 17 6s are 112. Sorry, 102. Next, what is the next? See the 16th number. See, question is going on. Keep your finger. Yes, 5 into 16. Say the table of 16. You have to say the table in your mind. Don't write answers only. 16 5s are, yes, 16 5s are 80. Correct. Clear? Till C question. Have you completed this all three questions A, B, C in your textbook? Okay. Along with me only you have to solve the next question also. That is question number D. See the numbers. First one is 3 into 18. Now here you have to say the table of 18. 3 into 18. 18 3s are, say the table of 18 in your mind and tell me the answer. 18 3s are, yes, 54. Correct. Right. 54. Write in the given box. You have to write the answers along with me. Then next, 8 into 18. Again same table you have to say. Table of 18. Say the table of 18. 18 8s are, what is the answer? 18 8s are 144. Correct. Write here 144. 144. Next, 2 into 18. Say the table of 18 again. 18 2s are 36. See, all the times you have to say the tables. Always you have to say the table and then only you have to write the answers. Next, 7 into 18. Say the table of 18 again. 18 7s are, yes, 18 7s are 126. Next, 2 into 19, 19 twos are 38. Next, 4 into 18, 4 into 18, say the table of 18 now. 18 fours are, yes, 18 fours are 72, correct. Next, 5 into 19, now here you have to say the table of 19. 19 fives are, say the table in your mind. Say the table of 19 and tell me the answer. 19 fives are 95, correct. Next, 3 into 19, again say the table of 19 only. 19 threes are 57, okay. Next, 6 into 19, 19 six are, say the table. 19 six are 114. 19 six are 114. Next, 10th number, 8 into 19, say the table of 19. 19 eights are 152. Next, 5 into 18, now you have to say the table of 18. 18 fives are, yes, 18 fives are, correct, 90. Next, 9 into 19, now say the table of 19. 19 nines are 171. Okay. What is the next? 9 into 18. Now say the table of 18. 18 nines are 162. Next, 4 into 19. Say the table of 19 now. 19 fours are, yes, say the table. 19 fours are 76. Next, 7 into 19. Again you have to say the table of 19 only. 19 sevens are, say the table. 19 sevens are 133. 19 sevens are 133. And the last is 6 into 18. Now here you have to say the table of 18. 18 6 are, yes, 18 6 are 108. Complete the question also. Have you copied this? Question number A, B, C, D. Have you completed? Okay. Now, so students, today in this way we have completed exercise 5.10. Along with this exercise we have completed this lesson also. In the next session we are going to see the next lesson. Till that time you have to say the tables every day. You have to do the practice of tables. You have to write tables till 20. 2 to 20 tables you have to write every day. Okay, so do the practice of multiplication. After this lesson, the next lesson is division. That lesson we are going to see in the next session. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.